Hi everyone, my name is Prema, HR CAD NEST. Firstly, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. To tell about our CAD NEST, CAD NEST is a ISO certified best training institute in the industry. We are running more than 15 years. Okay, and then to tell about the CAD NEST, we have many branches in the Bangalore. Like suppose our head office in the Baswangudi, then Rajajinagar, Sheshadripuram, Malleshwaram, RN Nagar, RT Nagar, HPR, and Magni. We have many courses starting from basic computers to the artificial intelligence. We have 450 plus courses like accounting, then civil, mechanical CAD, electrical CAD, then animation, digital marketing, Java, Python, full stack developer, .NET. Like this, we have many courses. And this is we do provide a certificate after the course completion, which is globally recognized. And we make these students prepare to the corporate level, what the companies actually expects. We are preparing the candidates to the corporate level. Fine. Today I am here to explain about the importance of computers. As you know, computers are very important nowadays. Without computers, you cannot work anywhere. So that is very important. And then computers are used in many industries. Okay, suppose if I talk about school. In schools, for the kids in the early age itself, they start teaching the computers because that is useful for their career. Where in schools also they use the computers to prepare the reports, and then timetables. Coming to the hospital also we use the computers for diagnosis, patient illness diagnosis, then for eye checkup and many more. To maintain the patient record also we use the computers. Coming to the banking sector, we use the computer for banking also. For generating the bill, they use it, and then internet banking, phone pay, Google Pay. For all that we use the computers. And then coming to the shopping malls also, to know the stock, available stock and sold out stock. All the data are maintained in the computers. Whereas coming to the airport, okay, railways, railway station, airport, in that also to know the arrival, departure of the flight or delayed in the flight, everything is updated in the computers. Without computers, the survival is very difficult. That's the reason you need to have the knowledge about computers. Okay, so our institute provides the best computer training. So do come and join for the CAD NEST. Thank you.